Good evening traders, Russell Sandiford here for Easy Markets, your Monday market wrap on the London Open. There's a lot of opportunities coming on the back of last week's geopolitical headlines, but none bigger actually than the CPI data that was a miss on Friday night for the US. I'm still rather surprised that we haven't seen gold smash through that key 1300 level. Firstly, traders, for those of you that like to trade gold, I really do think there's a lot further in this rally. We've seen it hit about 1291. Now today we've had a little drift lower, which I chalk up to profit taking. So the bottom line is gold is now 1285. For me, it's pulled back into the buy zone, and I'm targeting something in the region of 1320 in the coming weeks. So for the FX traders though, look, obviously the risk off flight to safety last week had dollar yen under pressure. Why dollar yen isn't much lower is still baffling me a lot, but at the same time, as you throw into that equation the US CPI miss, I think you'll find dollar yen can come under pressure. We've already seen some numbers out of Japan this morning that didn't really move the needle. So for mine, where are the best opportunities for trading this week? Firstly, take a look at the sterling. I love this trade, guys, because you might not need to wait long to see this bear fruit. So what am I talking about? Tomorrow, the sterling CPI on the London Open at 6:30 Sydney in the evening, of course. That's a wonderful trade for mine. Long sterling at this level. We're at 130 neat. I'm not being greedy, I'm targeting 131 on that trade. Guys, that is my best trade this week. The dollar yen is still undecided. That's why, again, I'm shifting my trading focus to the cable. The other opportunities, don't underestimate the power of the US retail sales tomorrow night on the US market open. The consumer sentiment that comes through, that flows through from the retail sales spending has a big bearing on US dollar sentiment. Because remember traders, we're already still clinging to 28% approximately probability still of a December US rate hike. So again, my other opportunities for you if you're looking for FX opportunities, first and foremost is the Aussie dollar. It's just dribbled back under that key 79 level. Looks a little bit undecided. There's no way in this environment with the geopolitical risk I could be long risk. So for mine, again, it's Aussie Jobs Thursday. I'm looking for unemployment to hold about that 5.6%, but the bottom line is I think any negatives in the new jobs added for Australia will be a good chance and excuse for traders to sell down the Aussie. I know it's a bit ambitious, but I'm probably looking for about 77.5 on the Aussie as fair value in the coming week to 2 weeks. For mine though, cable wins the battle for the trade of the week, long up to 131. But as always, there's a lot of opportunities. For those of you trading right through till Friday, we've got the Canadian inflation data. Now for mine, that may miss the mark a little, and I like dollar CAD to actually in the long or medium term get back to 128. That's not a ridiculous move because we're only just under 127 as we speak. As always, keep your powder dry because there's a lot of opportunities out there. With all of the rumblings geopolitically, I still favour dollar yen in the background short with a flight to yen as a safe haven, as well as obviously gold going north through that key 1300. Have a great trading week, and as always, if you need a hand, Easy Markets are the broker to chat to.